The cracking sound isn't your bones rubbing together at all. Your joints are filled with a slippery fluid that cushions them. When you pull a joint, the space inside suddenly gets bigger. That extra space drops the pressure, pulling gas out of the fluid. A gas cavity forms in a flash inside the fluid. Imaging links the sound to this cavity, though scientists still debate if it's the bubble forming or collapsing. It takes about 20 minutes to recharge before it cracks again. And no, studies show this won't give you arthritis. That's why your knuckles pop from gas cavities in the fluid, not from bones rubbing. What should I explain next? Comment below and follow Physics Flash.